Get ready to discover the next big cryptocurrencies set to make millionaires in 2023. Dogecoin, DOGE, Sandbox, Sand, and meme moguls, MGLS, are making waves in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin, the popular meme coin, is navigating a transformative phase in 2023. Despite a recent decrease, its resilience is noteworthy. With a substantial market capitalization surpassing $10.6 billion, this year could be pivotal in determining its ability to recover and achieve new milestones. The Sandbox, an Ethereum-based gaming platform, has made significant strides in 2023. With a current price of 0.416 and a monthly growth of 25.87%, it's reshaping the metaverse landscape. Notable partnerships and initiatives highlight its growing influence in the virtual world. Meme Moguls is set to become the world's first meme-backed stock market and exchange, offering a novel blend of crypto trading and meme culture. Aspiring to create 100 millionaires within the first 3 months of its launch, it's a promising utility-based meme coin with potential for substantial growth. Stay ahead of the game and explore the potential of these cryptocurrencies in 2023.